The future of flying is shaping up to be revolutionary. Here are some exciting developments which we are looking around, which is from drones to eVTOLs to hatches flying in the air as well as flying on the water. These developments are in the name of sustainability, sustainable airports, sustainable flying objects, sustainable flying craft, and the future of eco-friendly flying, supersonic flights, autonomous aircraft, or revolutionary aircraft designs. Personal mobility too is going to be affected, apart from unique passenger experience which we all are looking for.